Pretty much clear skies there. This is dropping down like a shelf at the end. This is where you can't really show everything down below, but if you look up here, kind of pretty the way it goes. But basically, that's where all your tornadoes normally come from. Tornadoes drop in at the tail end of a storm. This is like a big band here. Sorry about all the noise. All in the spots that are dipping down there, that's normally where the tornadoes come from. Kind of moved over here so I can get a better view of the rest of this over here. Right there. Anyway, I'm Scott Brown with Green Wind, another home energy. Clouds right there are going. Those clouds right there are going away from us, but they seem to be going up. That's kind of strange. This up here is what I think is really beautiful. It's all moving.
They were, yeah.
Yeah, look like it's going up.
Yeah, it's going up.
Yeah, those are going up over there.
What it's doing is sucking all the fire out of there. Boom! I walked out earlier and you can feel the wind coming from this way. It just blowing all that way. I'm like, yeah. We walked out of the subway. As soon as we started walking out of the subway, big old fucking feel that cool wind now.
Well, that's beautiful right there. I like just the way it's moving. Kind of just churning inside itself. All different directions.
Marbleized.
Yeah, marbleized.